can back the screw out.
Oh, I can get it through.
Put the bare wire and then back down the ground.
Hi, Scott with ABT Plumbing, Electric, Heat and Air, and I'm here on site with our Senior Field Supervisor, Mike Dale. Mike, thanks for taking a few minutes to talk to us about this. So we are talking Kohler whole home generators, and we're out on an installation on site. So right out the gate, why don't you talk why whole home generator?
Whole home generators come with an automatic transfer switch so that when the power goes out, within seconds, you have power restored. There's no stumbling around out the dark or running extension cords throughout your house, which is necessary for portable generators. Why Kohler? Kohler builds a more robust generator than anyone else on the market. They've been producing generators since 1920. So they're the oldest generator producer in the United States.
Which is exactly why we pick it and why we install Kohler.
Right, exactly.
Great. Well, why don't we take a look at a little bit of the work being done, and then we'll do the big reveal of the Kohler whole home generator.
After you. And this is our installation. Shelby, one of our technicians, right now is wiring the automatic transfer switch that I spoke about before. This is our critical loads panel right here for all of our backed up loads. This is the main service here. And a very simple installation. Of course, all of our jobs at ABT are permitted, and we adhere strictly to the National Electrical Code and the California Electrical Code.
Okay, well, here we are. This is it, the Kohler whole home generator. Mike, why don't you tell us a little bit about this model, please?
This model here is a 14 kW generator. What it's going to run is basically all the lights and plugs in the home, and we're also going to back up the air conditioning on this unit. We offer larger units for backing up an entire whole home, either a 20 kW or even a 26 kW. This is the engine, this is the alternator. Kohler has been making their small engine generator engines since 1920. So once again, they're the oldest generator maker in the United States. You'll notice on ABT installations, we go through the extra effort of building a pressure-treated lumber box filled with gravel. That way when the generator vibrates, it doesn't sink, it doesn't move, it always stays level.
Hey Mike, so I heard that you can control this with your phone, is that correct?
Yeah, the Kohler actually provides through the OnQ program all of the data from the generator through the communication straight to your phone. No reason to even come out to your generator. It'll tell you when your run hours are, when your maintenance needs to be done, and if there is an issue with your generator, you'll get notifications over your phone. And
what's the warranty on standard warranty for this, Mike?
Standard Kohler warranty is 5 years parts, 5 years labor. Extended warranties are available at additional cost on your contract.
Perfect. Well, you heard it all here. Give us a call if you're all interested. We're happy to come out and talk to you about what we can do for you. Maybe you'll get Shelby, Mike, the whole crew out here. In the meantime, thanks for tuning in. Give us a call. It's ABT Plumbing, Electric, Heat and Air.